You know, when they told me this chair was revolutionary, I really thought it would spin better than that. Jokes aside though, guys, I am so sore from the weekend. I need this chair more than anything right now. They claim it's the perfect lounge chair, which sounds like heaven right now. The problem with heaven is that before you can get there, you have to go through life. And my life right now is building this chair, which looks like it involves a lot of steps. Inside this box that I'm painstakingly unpacking is the Bateman Labs Envy Armchair. They say it is crafted by master woodworkers with cushions that were designed by gamers and programmers for all-day comfort, and wrapped in fabrics that will look great in any room. Really, with our teal wall, that's gonna be a challenge, especially for this shade of green, but we'll see how it goes. But there's more. They also sent over an ottoman and side table and an R-desk that apparently turns this chair into a full-blown battle station that will make you not want a desk anymore? I really hope I unearth some instructions at some point. This is starting to look a little overwhelming. Ooh. That is one swankin' headrest. Good God, that's a headrest? What am I, a two-headed ogre? Ooh. Still not sure where the whole it replaces my desk thing comes in, but maybe that'll be more apparent once I figure out this pile. I think I figured out what this cushion is for. I think this is the butt cushion. They weren't kidding about crafted for programmers. Even my generous caboose takes up like 2/3 of this. I feel like a kid sitting in my dad's chair. How is this a computer chair? It's literally an armchair, Belle. This is $2,500 US.
I really want to win it at the Christmas party.
$2,725.
I don't know if that includes the ottoman.
To be clear, I'm not saying it's overpriced. This kind of material, this kind of expert craftsmanship, it costs money. I'm just saying that it's a lot of it. Just so I know, how much of our ShortCircuit product selection is dictated by what you'd like to win at the Christmas party?
Not that much. Those AI glasses though, that was a real, I want that choice.
How can one chair be in so very many pieces? That's a strapping young seat if I've ever seen one. Oh yeah, self-explanatory. Oh, that's cool. They pre-assemble it once to make sure that it works. You can see marks on it from where they assembled it. That's important in woodworking. Love to see that. This is a test for their foam. Ooh, it is comfortable. I'm also almost out of screws. I only got 2 screws left. Stubby screwdriver, lttstore.com. This is a perfect use case for it. They put the year on here, made in Canada, like me. Put the more firm cushion on the seat and the softer cushion on the back. There's like 6 cushions. Boom, just like that. Ooh, craftsmanship. But I'm kind of afraid to sit down while I have this many pieces hanging over me. Also, while I haven't told you about our sponsor.
Thanks to Corsair for sponsoring this video. If you spend just as much time looking at your beautiful rig as you do using it, Corsair's 3500X mid-tower case might be right up your alley. It's got dual tempered glass panels with a wraparound design, so you can see all the lovely components you jam pack in there, like 360mm radiators, those big beefy graphics cards, and even 10 120mm fans. It even supports back-to-front style motherboards, so you see fewer cables and more RG frickin' B, baby. So now the next time your squad wipes, you have an excuse. You were too busy distracted by your beautiful build. Check out the Corsair 3500X at the link in the video description.
Where's the pocket? The instructions say there's a pocket for the Allen wrench in case you ever want to make adjustments. Oh, sick! Here, in my wood pocket, boom. Okay, no, hold on, I'm gonna build the other thing. No, I'm not gonna settle into it yet. I wanna know what the heck's going on with all this other stuff. Oh, I got the headrest. Actually, I got 2 different versions of the headrest. Normal, deluxe. I'm going with the normal one. Boom. Oh, and you don't even have to put it there if you don't want to. Boom. Headrest over there. There doesn't seem to be anything in the instructions about the headrest, but we're gonna go with that it's this. That feels solid considering it's just like a press fit in there. Envy Armchair, done. And I only have 2 extra screws. Oh wait, no, I found it. I found this, it's this guy. Oh no, no, I can't put it in now.
You skipped a step?
No, here comes the Ottoman Empire. Okay. I may have allowed my expectations to spiral out of control. You do need a nice firm foam here so it doesn't feel like you're just sitting on the wood that's underneath you. And they really nailed that. As long as you like sitting in exactly this posture, then like they nailed it, but there's not really any adjustments, right? This is cool though. We haven't really talked about the modular interface at all. So check this out. See these holes here along the sides of the armrests, the back, and actually also here on the ottoman? They're for accessories. So I've actually got one of them here. This is a desk accessory. And I gotta say, this is one of the cleverer implementations of this concept that I have seen. Look at that. Solid. Need to get up. You can actually get out of the chair without like extracting yourself from it. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And they've got all kinds of little accessories that can go into the interface as well, like cup holder accessory. What else we got in here? I don't even know what half of this stuff is. This looks like a headphone hanger though. The sky is pretty much the limit. Here's a riser that allows you to mount the accessories up higher if you happen to be taller, laptop holder, and if you reach out to them, they will give you the design drawings so that you can 3D print your own accessories for it. Pretty darn cool. Oh, that's the controller caddy. Oh, all right. Yeah, that makes way more sense. Okay, what's this one? Microphone mount. Oh, buddy. So it goes right there. Oh, like you just put it on there like that?
Strap it to your arm, yeah.
Wait, it would work the other way. It would work equally well the other way, Belle. Boom, armrest. Yeah, I might have too many accessories mounted to it. I don't need an armrest anyway. Screw it. I'm a real man, which is why I don't settle for laptops. I want a desktop. And that is where this accessory comes in. How does this work? Oh, no way. Boom. Don't mind me just getting some work done. Cause I gotta go to work. Work. Wow. Do we have a lot of height adjust on that bad boy? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Okay, let's get this puppy in here. Things are getting a little more extracty. When it's time for me to go get my cable, I need to... Nice. Dude, I'm gonna get so much work done now. Hey, look at that, it's Riley week on Flowplane. We ask Riley your burning questions. What is that for? We still haven't figured that out.
All right, so it's a side table for putting your tower PC in. And there's more accessory port.
And it's a side table, so I could put my knife and my screwdriver. Having been sitting in here since I sat down, I'm not experiencing any fatigue. I'm not experiencing any pressure points. I would say that it is a quality chair. As for whether this is the kind of setup that you'd like to have for the price, well, you can only answer that if you go to the Bateman Labs website and have a look at the pricing. I'll let you guys be the judge. What I won't let you be the judge of is whether you should subscribe to ShortCircuit. The answer is yes. Do it.